it.
I like the better one, so smart. All right, the Canadian anthem is for this Canadian lady right here, who's my person, my addition to the challenge for Marty B and his couch. I've always been trying to get her to make a lockpick video, and she hadn't wanted to do it until now, and I talked her into it by telling her she could win some picks. This lady come all the way down from the tundras of the great north. She used to live in an igloo, 6 months of darkness, 6 months of light. She toiled around in a subterranean maple syrup mine until one day she had the idea to come to America, start a snowshoe business. She didn't work out. She ended up doing some nursing or something. Anyway, now she's in the lock picking. This is the Algonquin lock picker. That's my name anyway. Probably just want to be called Katie. All right, we've been trying to get serious, I guess. We just finished a video. It was like 18 minutes in, and before that we tried another one, and this phone would keep running out of storage. Finally figured out how to do it. It's a very simple little thing that I think a couple of y'all have told me to try, and I just didn't believe it.
Including me.
Yeah, well, anyway, we got tons of time here. So if we got another 20-minute video, we'll be fine. Here's the story. Here's how it happened. I got lock picking a few months back, and she's been supportive, got me my first set of picks, but she kept getting more and more curious. Constantly picking locks, watching pick and gut videos when we're in the car. She would listen to the Lawyer and Bill and Newbie and Helpful. And those soothing, calm voices. At first she thought it was NPR, but then she realized that I was up to something. And I think curiosity got her, and she started picking. She's been picking for 2 months-ish, maybe less. Started off, like all of us, with these, and then the 3, and then we buy locks everywhere. We got on the mortise cylinders, Slade cylinders, big crazy locks. And whenever you go in the store, if they sell locks, she's in there before I am looking to see what they got. This stuff's addictive. So this is my person I've got into locksport. And she's going to pick some locks for you. This right here is one, the same way I learned is take a cylinder like that and learn to pick it, then start putting in spools and then put in crazy pins and work your way up. I think she's up to 3 or 4 spools now. I can pick it either way. And 5 pins, yep.
Yep, this is 5.
This was her cleaner lock. Whenever she would get aggravated a lot, she would do this one because she learned how to pick it real good. And I didn't like it, so I snuck in there and changed some stuff up on her.
It's been messing with me.
Threw her off for a while. I think she's got it now. So that'll be the first one we pick. Just a little.
I can do it pretty easy counterclockwise, so I'm going to try clockwise first. If it doesn't work, I'll go the other way.
I'm getting into counterclockwise. If I have a reasonable option, I've been doing it. So my hand gets sore, then I'll switch back. She's going to pick and gut this one.
Hopefully.
She's done it just over and over till we do the video, and then it took forever. And then she got the other lock, which I'll talk about later. And I don't know. I don't know if you got it. It seemed like I heard the pins clicking, and then out of storage. That screwed me on a bunch of videos I want to go back and redo. Yeah. And I think I was funnier earlier when it's tired. Take the pressure off her by running my mouth. Here to support. To mansplain.
Yeah. Alright. So it doesn't take too long.
See now how long it takes you to gut them.
Yeah, I'm just... yeah, I don't... You usually do that, but...
I'm just kidding.
I'll do my...
I'll try to be good.
Do my best to not throw stuff everywhere.
Oh, those wrenches fly.
Probably.
No, she's learned to pick in gut and to reassemble, actually. So. This lot's got the. I picked it, and it's real easy to overset some, and it's real easy to get stuck in a false set. It takes some real
there's a little
gentle
wiggle.
touch.
Little wiggle there.
You got it. I'm bad about over telling people how to do stuff. When I leave her alone, she usually does pretty good. Last video, I went to get a drink. Might as well mention this is brought to you by our sponsor. Hopefully soon, Lockpick will be sponsored by Red Bull and Bubba's Vodka. I think they're gonna pick up on it and start making some money off this. But yeah, when I leave, she's better. I'm not really standing over you, but you know I love to talk, and I do watch the camera.
She really does. Sorry, I'm gonna try something that might stick in this without falling out every time I try and hit that first pin.
These inserts, they get bent if you tension them for a while. And once in a while, I have to put them in the pliers and bend them back. Or grab another one. While she's picking that, just, like I say, take some of the pressure off.
Yeah.
Updates, I got packages here for my challenge locks I'm sending out. I've got a bucket of them here. I'm real behind that you guys sent me.
Oh, sorry. To interrupt. The
Oh,
wrench
yeah.
fell out, but it opened.
All right.
Okay. See if I can not.
You doing it counterclockwise, it looks like?
That was counterclockwise, yes.
Right. We had this big master lock that she couldn't get, and she got it counterclockwise, and that's where my plug spinner video came from. It's kind of a fun thing to get into and learn.
This might take a second just to get this part open more. Actually, use the bigger.
While she's doing this, some fun facts about Canada.
You feel
They're
absolutely none.
I know a lot of it. The capital is Vancouver.
Yeah.
It's currently led by black gentleman, right? Justin Trudeau, Senior. Their state, or not state, they don't have states. They have parishes, kind of like Louisiana.
Or
French people always like to set up parishes.
It's not Providence. It is.
I know what it is.
I know you do.
There's 8 of them. But their national bird is a flapjack, and their national tree is a pancake. Every single one of them plays hockey, and they can't go for more than 3 weeks without maple syrup, or they'll start to. Well, they won't die, but they'll get real weak. They'll get even paler, and they'll start to feel the effects of cold weather. Anyway, I did a lot of research.
Idiot. All right. One of them, something already popped out.
Fred Philstoner, if you're listening, when I accuse you of being Canadian.
It's not really a bad thing, but...
He's actually worse. He's from Minnesota.
Yeah, so. He just sounds like Canadian. All right.
All right, good job.
All right. Okay, yeah, let me use these. You can't see anything in here, huh?
Yeah, I'll do it. We have one set of pen and tweezers that is so magnetic that if you get it anywhere near, it's like a super magnet. Probably sell to them Hadron Collider people over there in France.
You do like your magnets, though.
I do love magnets.
Now, I might be dumping some of these or setting them up in the tray upside down, but
That's right. Yeah, you get an idea. The quick set ones are round on both ends anyway.
Well, there's a bunch of special things in here that looks like you.
Show them the end. You guys talk. You guys say it right. We got
yeah, no, I'm not doing all that.
That's the most fun part.
Yeah. All right. There's the Bible. So I already lost the Bible one there. Popped out. I don't know.
That's right.
There's a screw.
The springs
or the spring. Sorry.
are a little tight, so if they don't come out, they're all the same. Just
these might be magnet too.
Bash them out of there. Turn them. Yeah.
You got all sorts of little things in here.
Well,
You're going to have to make
most of them are commercial spools. I think there's one homemade.
Oh, look at that one fell right into place.
That's one homemade.
Yeah.
That's one of the first ones.
These are magnetic too, baby. These springs are just popping everywhere.
That's what I'm saying. That's the one at the end. Just get the...
This is why my hands are all dirty. All
I
right.
use rare earth magnets that like hold a lot of stuff together. Usually get them out of computer hard drives. I like sticking stuff to the walls, but if you get these tweezers anywhere near them, then the springs are just a giant pain in the ass.
This is the last one. Just gonna lose that. All right, so you had all sorts of stuff. I'm not good with the names though. All the springs are the same though, I can say.
That's spools. That's the things that make your, what do you call it?
The false sets.
And
All the crunching in there.
yeah, and the counter.
Counter rotation.
Yeah.
Can you see that okay?
She picked a slage, kind of like I did her first spool lock. My name or something come from. Oh, hold on, let me, yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to. The light's kind of messy. You want me to put it over that way?
Oh, I'm trying to.
There we go.
Yeah, we get a real camera. Oh, yeah. See, that drawer pin's got a big.
This one?
Yep. One's got serrations. The other
This
two
one
are
does.
standard.
These. Yeah,
okay,
these
so you
are-
got two regular spools and one homemade spool. Not a horrible lock, but not bad at all for somebody that's picked this amount of time. All right, so here's the other thing. She likes to do stuff that I do. So I've been talking about Medicos, like y'all know, and I've pinned one up progressively. Look at two of them.
Yours, yes. Yours is.
Mine's got more.
Yes, yours is 6.
I'll just say it. But that one has a spool. It has the sliders out. It has the sidebar in. Right. Yep.
Make it
It has
first.
one mushroom and one standard. I think she's got 3 pins with all standard drivers, right?
Yeah.
But the mushroom slows everybody down.
Yeah, so we've been moving these around to different positions, so I get used to
Yeah, picking to the back of the
picking
lock.
them around.
We haven't done the
All right.
control core on this one yet. She did pick a best interchangeable core one time.
6 pin, yeah.
6 pin, yep.
To control and to open.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
This is the one I picked earlier. Hopefully it doesn't take me forever.
You don't get it. Don't get excited. Just relax. Oh, wow, yeah. Way better.
That's good.
I got a big giant tension wrench for that, but it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's like a funny hat. I could have cut it down to size, but... Watch.
Yeah, oh, look at that.
All right, there you go.
That's pretty quick, actually.
All right, just gut that one into the flat place and the other.
Okay.
Don't lose the sidebar springs. This room has carpet, and this stuff gets lost in there so bad, and those tiny little springs are ridiculous.
This is where you got to help me with the...
All right.
Because I need one of those.
Can we hold the front? Let's see.
Yeah, I can hold this.
Hold on the back there.
Okay.
Keep it all in frame.
Mm-hmm.
All these very ethical.
We're all organized and you don't know
I don't know what shit.
where things are.
Lock sporters. They don't trust each other. I think they let you get by on this one, but all right.
Yeah, I can't get those seat clamps off.
What I would do is just dump the top out, one stack at a time, and then you can slide it off the slider.
All right, I haven't done one of these before.
Oh yeah, it's different.
Yeah.
So you're not going to pull it out. You're going to unscrew that,
that.
and then dump one. You have to use this on it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
That one might be the one too. I don't know if I was drinking one night or if it was an accident. I've never heard of a tapped Medico plug, but I think I serrated it accidentally, tapered it. What am I trying to say? Threaded it all the way down into the plug, because that first cylinder in that one has a serrated hole. Springs are tight too, because where I ground the top off and then had to drill down in the, I guess it's Bible. It really matches those springs tight.
So there's that mushroom was in number.
That's the mushroom.
2. All right, and then.
All right, you want to just push it through, but not all the way. Yeah. All right, now look for your. It's gonna be probably on top, since you got it rotated.
Okay, right there.
9 o'clock. Yeah. Just pull it out halfway.
And they'll dump down?
No.
Okay.
Here, watch it. Turn around.
Oh.
What was that?
I got one drop. Something
right
that. Here.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
I've never seen that. What the hell?
Oh, is that the... Never mind.
Oh, that goes to that.
That's to the other one.
Yeah.
Something dropped, though.
All right, look. What you got to hold in?
This. Right here. It's right here.
It's hidden. I only got one hand because of my...
Okay, here.
No, that's all right. Look. There's your set. Oh, just pull it out.
Just 1 second. I got it. I found the other one.
It'll be fine. I just need to know the difference. That's what you can't let fly out. So just hold that with one of your fingers and pull it out. I get this.
Okay. Right here. I can't.
To put your thumb on the top where that little silver thing is, that's
Okay.
your slider. Or not your slider, your sidebar. Set that big thing to the side, and I would just turn it where that thing's pointing right down.
This?
And the side's got 2 springs. And sometimes that thing's tricky to get out. I would use those other pliers and just pull it, don't pull it all the way up, just pull it halfway up and then lift the other side up a little, or it'll get wedged in there. Turn it upside down and tap on the top. But you don't want to beat it hard because the springs are super tiny. There you go.
Oh, I see. There we go.
All right.
Yeah, no way we're
So hold it up. So you see all the fingers?
Mm-hmm.
That's the one I love the spring for, because that one's homemade.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's all right. This is all over the place. But here's the...
2 pins deep.
Here's the mushroom.
Roll that slider, that sidebar over. That's the main thing.
All right, so I can get rid of this.
All the pins are intact. Hold it up sideways so you can see little fingers.
Oh, well, there's a...
Just leave it. It'll be all right.
There's a spring. Oh,
Yep.
There.
Yep. Like I said, the slider's out, but the slider makes an M3 a pain in the ass anyway. That's 2 pins. We're going to move it up to 3, maybe with 2 mushrooms. And let's see, that might be it for the video. There we go. It's 2 months-ish. And
I don't do it quite as much as you do. Obviously, you do a lot more.
Sometimes I'll wake up in the middle of the night and get them messed on a little bit.
Yeah.
I get hooked on it. Well, there we are. Thank you, Marty B.
Yeah, thank you for getting me to do a video finally.
Mm-hmm. We was talking about doing outtakes where she yells at me and stuff.
Yeah, that's what everybody's gonna believe.
Mm-hmm. Threatens to hit me.
That I'm the mouthy one.
All right, you'll be good.
Thank you.